You already have the data, you already have the audience. Now let's create the workflow to help you show up consistently without the burnout. Let's kick things off with something every mission driven team needs: a clear view of your donor engagement funnel. You're going to want to take the data that you have. Remember, you have that at your disposal, and then figuring out where there are potential bottlenecks, potential gaps, where you are losing money, time, or resources. This could go for almost anyone. How to turn raw data into a presentation that gets funding. So this is the data here. It just shows where they have pledged. It says, did they attend the event? Depending on what platform you use, it'll give you this data. Based on this donor data file, create an 8-slide presentation that visualizes our donor engagement funnel, include conversion rates, first time recurring, etc. Now, here's what I want to point out to you. We've also added what additional resources will we need to execute those next steps. Not only you're bringing this into your board, into your team, because you're potentially pitching for more resources, whatever that may be that Jordan is looking to do. Based on this data, go ahead and do some analysis for me and what could our next steps be. As you can see, it is their thinking. And here's the beautiful thing. It's like step by step, hey, tell us what you are doing. And it's literally telling us what is taking place, what are they going to do next. So it took 12 minutes for the ChatGPT agent to go ahead and take the donor data that we provided, because we want to find where are those gaps in it. And it's providing us with an analysis, telling us what it did. So the annual fund and emergency campaign had 50% donor retention. Giving Tuesday, it's given us that breakdown. And then now, let's look at the presentation. It helps give you a starting point. You can change out if you've got branded icons that you want to use. You also want to check your data points to see, are they accurate? So you now have a story that you can tell to just get an idea around how you're going to communicate this information, because data is storytelling as well.